Hello, hello, hello. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Today we're gonna do Xah Talk Show. Welcome. We're gonna do emacs lisp coding and maybe random. Hello, timer. Chung chung chung. Coke and tequila. Okay, let me get my tequila. All I need is a drink now and then. Let us go through the ritual of drinking. A man needs a drink. Okay, that's Coke. And here is the tequila, the thing we need. You know, I recall there's a book, What Does a Man Need to Live? Well, you need some wine and mathematics and women. That's what I think you need. If you are here, say hi. Love to see your comments. If you are not here, play at 1.5 speed and skip around, okay? So let me have a taste of the pure elite drink. Very good, smooth. Okay. Okay, coding. Let's do coding. Coding is necessary to make great America. To make America great again. Emacs, the most efficient, supreme text editor, the most powerful text editor. And the pink window is all my command calls and keystrokes. So I'm using a Vorak keyboard layout. Let's do this. I'm using a Vorak keyboard layout. I'm using Xah keys. So as you can see, all my command names are in the pink window, okay? There, so, okay, widen, sesame, widen, please. And the keystroke on the right, on the left side, if you search the command names, you'll find it. For example, Xah Smart Delete, but that one is not on my website. So let's go to Xah Talk Show. It's today's talk show, so talk. You ask questions, I talk. That's what talk show is. Show. Okay, this is what we're gonna code. Any questions, comments? Okay, let's begin coding. Hello, say, Saifu. Content, Web3. Web3 is a scam. Okay, you I assume you are a Zoomer. Are you from the My Lady gang? I'm guessing so. Web3 is a scam sponsored by quasi deep state, something like that. Okay, it's like like nobody can really define it. It just means it feels good, you know. It's new technology. Nobody can say what it is, but it's something involving crypto money, bit money. You know, money made of bits. That's what Web3 is, a scam. So here's a recommendation. Whenever you guys hear Web3, you know, it's a scam. AdSense. I turned off all my AdSense. I don't know what you guys saying. So, okay, so we're gonna write this command, Xah lookup Twitter, okay? Do I need introduction to Xah keys or stuff? I guess not. Let's just go right into. So I have done By now this is episode 622. So I have done 600 YouTube videos. So there are hundreds of them on Emacs and Xah keys and my setting, my system. And Xah, why are you using Windows? Which one is better, Windows or Mac or Linux? I answer those questions 1,000 times. Okay, so today let's go jump right to the code. Okay, so emacs lisp. So we're gonna write this function. So D for define, and the function name will be Xah lookup Twitter. And what is that? That is you search Twitter. Okay, so Twitter is the Elon Musk X. Starting about 2 years ago, Elon Musk took over Twitter. And then, so it's much less censorship. There's still some, okay, but it's so there's much less censorship. And one of the great information, very dense on Twitter, rich information is about politics, politicians, the current events around the world. What's going on in different countries. Is there earthquake? Is there famine? Is there mass killing? And who is doing that? You can find that information on Twitter. So, for example, if you want to know about programming or mathematics, Twitter is not a good place. Okay, for programming, for mathematics, you want to go to Wikipedia. For programming, you want to go to Stack Overflow or just ask AI bots. Okay, so there are different resources that's more suitable for different kind of information. So if you want to know the dirt about politicians, about those mega rich, Twitter, okay. So, and since Elon Musk Twitter is, so you can search. So let me show you, for example, search. Let's see, search. Okay, you want to expand the window. So I'm gonna write a command that I just press a button. For example, let's say Ukraine. Okay, now Ukraine is a hot news in the past 3 years, because we sent them $100 billion and have disappeared, and there's massive killing, massive death. How many? 10,000? 100,000? Something like 500,000, okay, dead. So in America, USA, United States of America, whenever we hear, oh, a girl got date raped, it's national news. But over there, 500,000 people dead. Okay, but I can still enjoy my tequila and Coke here. Doesn't affect me. So if you want to know information, search Twitter. So Twitter, you go, for example, search. You can type there, and there is your, current Ukraine results on Ukraine. You can, there's lots of information from fake news, from real truthful journalists, from massive spam bots, massive bot agents. You'll find all sorts, okay? But the information is there. You just have to find. And you will often find pretty girls when it comes to war, too. Pretty girls, girls, the center of humanity. What is this one about? I wonder how much it costs to make pro-war propaganda in Ukraine. I don't know what that is, but girls, okay? Just watch the girls. Okay, so search Twitter. Okay, search. Okay, let's write. So for example, this. Let's remove this offensive word. Okay, because let's find something more pleasant. Blue-eyed girl. Okay. Now I press a key. Boom, boom, boom. You see, I can, in Emacs, press 3 keys, then you see this Xah lookup web. That's a command. Okay, then it goes to Brave search. So you can search, and then you can click image search. Blue-eyed girl. Oh my God, amazing. So turn on JavaScript. Turn on JavaScript so you can see blue-eyed girl. Amazing. Oh, the cat. Wow, beautiful cat mixed with vase. This is AI generated, I'm sure. Okay, so you can see, press a button, is search. Then if you want image search, press. It goes to image search directly. Close. Okay, let's try again. Press. You see, let's see brown-eyed girl. Let's see blue-eyed Chinese. Press. Do we get any pretty? No. Oh, this one is not bad. That's brown eyes. That's not true. And one of the trick, if you want to search images outside of the American mentality, you go to the Russian one, Yandex, for example. Blue-eyed Chinese, let's say press. There it is, Yandex. Then you need to turn on JavaScript for images. Then you just click images. Blue-eyed Chinese. Okay, yeah. Oh my God, this one is beautiful, amazing. You see, this is Russian search. Okay, so this is just the power of Emacs. You see, I just press a few keys. You can search Wikipedia. Let me show you. Okay, so here is the source code, and go to the top. Go to the directory. This is xahlookup.el. Close it, and here's the URL. Open it. Show in browser. So you got lookup web, lookup Google, lookup Yandex, a Russian search engine, lookup Baidu, a Chinese search engine controlled by CCP. And you can search Wikipedia and Internet Archive. You can search lookup street map. Okay, let's see street map. Okay, so street map. So here's a source code. Search for street map. What is the key for street map? I forgot. M. Okay, so let's say Broadway Street. Okay, so press M. There it is, Google, but you need to turn on JavaScript Google Map. Okay, turn on the Broadway Street, San Francisco. This Broadway Street is where all the strippers are. In California, California, we are far advanced. Oh wait, this is Manhattan. I'll take Manhattan. New York. Okay, New York. Broadway. Okay, whatever. So you got these commands. So if you want it, pay me. Okay. Used to be free, but I become tech support like Elon Musk. So donate, send me $100 or two. I'll send you the package. Okay, so the convenience, the power of it, you can look up synonyms, Wikipedia, YouTube, Yandex, Baidu, YouTube. Let's look up YouTube. Blue-eyed Chinese girl. Okay, let's say. So what is the YouTube key? U. So press. Let's see if I get some YouTube, a blue-eyed Chinese girl. Oh, YouTube Shorts. YouTube Shorts. Girls, the center of humanity. Are we doing good? Skater 3. I don't understand what that is. Dansex says, I'm using Xah keys. Fantastic. I was wondering if it's possible to quickly select text between quotes. Yeah. So go here so you can see this quote. Press one single key. Now watch the pink window, okay? Press one key. There it is. So check out the documentation, okay, Xah flag keys. So that's one of the most, one of the top keys you need to know. For single quote, the answer is no, okay? So if you have a single quote, let's say, what is, for single quote, it doesn't work. Because single quote, that's apostrophe. Okay, apostrophe is often used for apostrophe purposes. So, so you got, it's not always quote. So I don't do that. So, okay, so answer that question. Yes, brave. Not yet. Yes, short. Okay, pretty girls. Center of humanity. Okay, she's not that pretty, but there are so many. There's so many white girls, of course, but there's also Chinese girls. Not this one, though. That's girls. That's all they do. But okay, so back to code. So you want to write this lookup traitor. So extremely easy, trivial. In fact, let's just copy some of them. Copy and paste, the most efficient, the best tactic in programming. So you want to look up traitor, so let's just copy, let's say Wiktionary. Let's copy something well known, okay? So look up web, look up Google. Let's do Google, okay? Go there. There is the code. Copy it, close. Okay, so we're just gonna copy it basically. Okay, let's quickly write this, okay? So let's start to code. And let's get serious. Version, date. Look, so copy. So in fact, actually, let's use this Google template. We already have that code. Then create it, update it, paste it there. So am I doing good? Can you guys see me? Yeah, everything good? Yeah, so let's go back here. So this part we don't need. So look up Twitter, look up the word, look up current word or text selection in Twitter, okay? In Twitter search, okay? Then look up browser table is checked for what browser to use. That's an option. We don't care for now. Okay, and look up word on internet. So there is more generic function you call. So you call this lookup word on internet, and the current word, if you don't pass any word, you'll just pass the current word, okay? Just leave it. So the key thing you want is this URL. How do you search the Twitter URL? There it is. So copy that. Okay, so paste. So and the query dummy is the keyword, okay? So the query is this and source typed query. We don't want those tracking shit. Okay, so that's the URL for searching Twitter. So this lookup internet takes 3 arguments: the word, a URL with a dummy in it, then what browser to use. Like a browser function. So in fact, all you need to pass, the actual thing you need to pass is the second argument, which is the URL with the dummy. Because the other part, if it's nil, then this function, Xah lookup word on internet, will take care of it. So describe function, to go to the documentation, you'll explain here, and jump to the source code, do it. So here is the function Xah lookup word on internet. You see optional word URL browser function. So if the word is nil, you'll just grab the current word under cursor. So you'll see the code here. You see, if the word is nil, then if the word is already given, then just use the word. Condition, this is a conditional statement. If the word is not nil, it's given, then just use that. Otherwise, if region is active, that means you have a selection. Then you do buffer string no properties, region beginning, region end. You select the active region, the text selection. Otherwise, if there's no region, then but is your cursor, if your cursor is at the beginning of a line like that, it'll just use the whole line as a phrase, because that instead of selecting the line, that's kind of a little convenience. But anyways, then if otherwise, anyway, it makes sure the line is not too long. Sometimes you have a sentence of 200, 300, or 1,000 characters. Then by mistake, you look up, you send 1,000 characters to the web. You don't want to do that. So if it's more than, 70 characters, don't grab the line. Okay, so anyway, this is a generic function about this generic function lookup on the internet. Okay, close that. So then let's just write this. So I think that's done. So evaluate the code. Let's try it. We can try it this way in this code. So let's say lookup blue-eyed Chinese girl. Now, if I search that, it's probably gonna show lots of porn. I think so. Twitter is, girls, that's the center of humanity. And we stuck with it for millions of years and forever, basically. So let's blue-eyed cat, okay? Let's say blue-eyed cat. Well, most cat got blue eyes. Let's search it anyway. So press eval buffer. Okay, so it went to the, so it requires login. I don't want to log in here. So we can go to the Brave browser, which I already logged in. So all we have to do, let's trick the browser, what browser it sends. So let me adjust it. Okay, so list get, so so you need to look up browser table. Okay, so okay, let's try. Okay, so this is a bit complex. Let me show you. Okay, so let's try to use this function Xah HTML open in Brave. No, does it? I don't think that'll work. Because you need a, what does U take? It takes a URL. The function needs to take a URL. So okay. So we need a function with one argument, a URL, and we'll go to Brave and open it. So do I have it? I think I have. So let me check. Copy define, list all keys involving define. So you got to look up open URL in Chrome, in Brave. That's the one we want. Go there, copy it, close. Okay, so this function, okay? So this sets up a table. That means this is a command. So when you are calling this command, call that browser function. In this case, our command is lookup Twitter. Okay, so our command is this lookup Twitter. Copy. What is this? Close. Go. Okay, so there. So when this function is called, call this URL. Okay, so evaluate that, make a backup, go back to our Twitter code, evaluate it. Now evaluate this one. Do it. There it is. It went to Twitter and it showed all cats, blue-eyed cats. Beautiful. Beautiful. Oh, so cute. Blue-eyed cat. Okay. Fantastic. I think we accomplished our mission. Mission complete. Now, random chat for a few minutes, I guess. Okay, so I'm gonna read comments, random chat. Pay me, okay? Go to PayPal, Amazon, on my website. Let me show you, okay? So first of all, let's put this back, and let's delete that, okay? Now, show in browser, that's today's code. Now, syntax correct, show in browser, that's the code you can copy, and you will have it. Look up Twitter, and but you missing the look up internet. Don't worry about that, because if you actually want anything, you search on my website, okay? Look up Xah info search, no, okay, emacs, emacs dictionary lookup, emacs lookup function documentation. Let's see, emacs dictionary lookup. There it is. Where is it? There. So wait, not this one. Okay, so go to emacs tutorial. Go to search. Look up. Xah lookup function documentation. Wait, what is this? No, that's a lookup function documentation. Dictionary lookup. I have the code somewhere showing you how to oh, okay, so I remember now. Look up, okay. Search, okay. Yeah, search is a word. Search text in directory. I search by arrow. Command to search web. There it is. So there's a code. So in fact, you can just copy this code and you can have your own look up the web function. You can customize it. You can look up Wikipedia or Google or PHP documentation or whatever your programming language documentation or dictionary, or search the image search, Twitter search. All you need is a URL format. You need to know where is a keyword, so which is easy to get. You just search on the website you want and copy the URL and check what their format. Okay, so that's the page you want. Okay, so you don't have to pay me to get my stuff. So but you can write your own. But you can pay me. Pay me to donate me for learning stuff. Okay, so that's it for today, I think. Yeah. So one more thing. Let's test. Okay. So one more thing. Okay. So I want red-eyed cat. Okay. Now, MetaX, Xah look up Twitter. Do it. Red-eyed cat. What is it? Oh, what? Oh, programming languages. Okay. How do I become like you? How do I become a programmer like you in 1 month? Please, I'm studying 20 hours a day. Do you recommend any website to learn logic and language and programming? How do you become like me? So the precise phrase of that question would be how to become studious and how to become a Chinese. Well, that much of that has to do with your mentality, your attitude. Okay, so if you really want, like, how much do you want to be that way? You see, there's pros and cons. You want to be like me? Yeah, sure, you can. You're gonna be a master of emacs. You're gonna be smart. You're gonna know a lot of mathematics and dive deep into the things of the politics and things. But I'm poor. I'm poor sob. I live on $3 a day. Struggle to survive. You see, that's a downside. Do you want to be like that? But anyway, on the positive side, if you want to be, again, the most important thing is about your mentality. So if you really want something, when you want something, usually that means you have to pay, okay? But otherwise, yeah, I want beautiful girls. I want a big house. I want a big swimming pool. I want to be the most beautiful man. but that means I have a lot of things I don't want to do. To be the beautiful man, I need to start to exercise or do operations on my face. Do I want that? Not really. So if you really want something, you have to pay for it. But even that, some people really want to do something. If you have the desire, then you are almost all set. Okay, that's the most important element. Okay, so so ask yourself how much you want it, and chase it. It's almost like it's the same way how much you want a girl. Then, of course, there's a difficulty part. For something you want, maybe it's not that easy. For example, here's a pen. I want a red pen. That is very easy. I can get a red pen. I can just go out and buy a red pen. I can get a dozen. It's trivial. But if you want to be a millionaire, it's not that so easy. Okay, so then you gotta do a lot of things and take some time. If you want to be a mathematician, it's not so easy. Okay, if you want to be the best mathematician, essentially that's basically impossible already. Okay, so if you want, so it depends. There's different prices to pay. So if there's this girl you really want, you try to chase her, but you find it's extremely difficult, then maybe you should pick another. So things may also change. Godson says, Xah, can I hire you for private tutoring on a project I'm considering making? It's a Emacs project. Yeah, sure. Usually I go for $80 an hour, but I'm not a good negotiator. I know the stuff, of course, and I can teach you really well. Okay, I can teach you whatever you want to. As far as Emacs goes, I can really teach you. But I'm not the type to talk about like how much you're gonna pay me stuff. Okay. So if you want, just send me PayPal me $100, okay? Then I'll tell me what you need to learn. I'll give you a few hours. Provided if you want to do that, if you watch my videos, you know how I talk, how I do things, then that's good, okay? So yeah, you can contact me offline, but best thing is just PayPal, okay? PayPal, and tell me on Twitter or on Discord I paid you. So because then I got a lot of emails. I got emails in all other offers like, Xah, you are really smart. I got this project. I think we'll make it big. We can gonna be rich. Do you want to join me on this fantastic idea? I got lots of that. They all have fantastic ideas, but they don't have money to pay me. I don't want to become the most billionaire with you. Okay, what I want, give me money now, cash. Then I do some work for you. Okay, that's what I want. So I think that's it for today. Can you email me about it? Yeah, just send me money, okay? Because I got a lot of emails. I hardly check it. Yeah, you can. So there's Discord. So who is asking? Yeah, so Mr. Trading, okay? So yeah, you can. But I don't usually answer emails. I mean, that's the thing, I got a lot of emails or Twitter messages, private. I don't know who they are. They always interested in my opinions, I'm too old. And I don't get paid. Godson, love you videos. I will pay you. Time, no problem. Oh, Godson. Oh, fantastic. Okay, great. Yeah, so I've taught someone actually before. I mean, several person on video live to, several, at least 3. One of them is a professor. Actually, more than one professor. But the thing really important to me is that you have seen me before, like, so I'm not a smooth talker. Like, again, I'm just like this, okay? I talk straight, So you pay me, I can teach you stuff. Don't use Bitcoin because I have a Bitcoin. Yeah, don't use it. Okay, I think that's about it. That's it. So we tried this function works beautifully, and it's gonna be very useful for me. But there's one more thing I want to add, because on Twitter, it's not just search a word, because usually you need to search a particular person's post, let's say from specific year period, let's say 2002 to 2003. I want to find or whatever Elon Musk has said about, let's say, blue-eyed cat. So you need to type this, and then you'll give you a URL that you need to. So this this function, because right now it doesn't do that. It just search a word. But usually when you search Twitter, you want to search a particular person, or if he replied to someone, things like that. So there's a lot things to improve. Anyway, that's it for today. Thank you, guys. Bye. "40 minutes, perfect." Okay, bye. Discord link, my Discord, just go to xahli.info. There it is, my Twitter and my Discord, okay? My Discord is right here. I've been slacking, so I haven't been reading much in the past week because I've been busy on Twitter. Okay, that's it, bye. Let's see. Okay, so close down in 1 minute. Okay, today's show, close. Got that. Close. Search. Close. Beautiful girls. Okay, center of humanity.